We just heard back from one of our happy customers who gave us a glowing 5-star review, so we thought we'd share it with the world. We're happy to say that this is just one of the many reviews we get from our customers all the time.
Love Dr. Kate. She helped me with figuring out what foods to stay away from, which ones my body just did not like or need. I'm feeling much better now that I know what is bad for me.
So if you're looking for the best customer service, backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.